Isn't it a lovely day? Are we there yet?
No, donkey.
Are we there yet?
No! Timer, pose.
Are we there yet?
No!
Guys. Hello. Bye.
What?
I want to watch where you're going.
Look out!
Are we there yet? There yet? Well, hurry! Hurry! Stop videoing me.
What?
No!
No!
No! Oh my god,
What am I doing?
Hi guys, I think I'm lost. Do you know where room 56 is?
Follow us. We'll show you the way.
Guys, this doesn't look like room 56.
Jesus, Stacey, you don't need to be worrying about that crap.
Yeah, a popular girl like you doesn't need to be in class. Anyway, your hair's really nice. Is that how you're wearing it to the party?
I don't think I'm
You
gonna-
have to go! Well, sorry, I'm just a little bit overexcited. Anyways, you have to be there. You mean so much to us.
And she's our only ticket in there.
Girls, what are you doing out of class? Detention! Neve,
On shot.
Aisling,
On shot.
Stacey.
Here. Oh, on shot.
Look, I don't really want to be here any more than you do. Alright, I'm going out for some.
What are we gonna do about that party? We're never gonna get in.
Hey Stacey, wanna come over here for a sec? So, do you have discos over there in America?
Yeah, but I don't usually go.
Ah, Jesus, you should come with us tomorrow. You'll be so much more popular.
Yeah, everyone will love you.
Sure. Sounds like fun.
But there's some things you might have to, tweak a little.
Like what?
you look amazing. Cute. Can't believe that didn't work.
What are we gonna do?
There has to be another way.
The roof?
What's the matter, Mike? Shh. Girls. My pen! What's that about a missing pen?
You are all suspects. Interrogation begins now.
Go away! Go away!
Let's start from the beginning again.
1 second the pen was there and the next second it was gone.
I'm going to start simply. Did you steal the pen?
I feel the aggression, man.
This is a serious problem.
I'm getting bad vibes right now. You need to meditate more.
Sorry, I gotta go. Don't talk to me. Talk to my lawyer. I am 5 minutes late for my nail appointment. Do you know who my father is?
Lord Jesus, I only use quills.
We haven't even started yet. Please listen. This is Detective Branson. I'm Detective Johnson. Please state your name for record. Get your feet off my desk.
Get your nose out of my business.
What do you know about the missing pen?
I ain't no snitch.
Sit down!
You sit down.
You sit down! Is this normal?
Where'd the colour go? Who are yous? Can I see a badge?
Now, down to business.
It's a pen. I will buy you a new pen.
Caught red-handed!
What? Shut up, you disgust me. Didn't do anything. And it's a pen.
Disgusting!
Since brain.
Sarah.
Oi!
same turtles. So cute.
Sit down. Guys, stop making your TikTok. You're not going TikTok famous anytime soon. Chloe, put the football down. Your training session is after school. Surely you can wait until then. Stacey, get off Josh's table, please.
No, stop. And are you?
God, where did he door go?
What do you care? I'm out of here.
She will all go.
No, we can't. What if the teacher wakes up?
Stop being such a swash.
Yeah.
Are you?
Gert.
Damn it. So, what are you doing now?
That was so boring.
Hey!
Oh crap.
Get back in here.
She's coming!
Be friends. Or more than friends.
Stop!
I'm right here.
Sorry.
Get your hands off me.
Are you serious?
Yeah, are you serious?
Who's all up for a game of ball?
No!
Algebra.
No!
Oh my god.